Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video. I'm Warbrush Noob and this is part 3 of making the soldier. I do have a new camera, so I'm hoping this one's alright, better than using my phone. Let's get into it. So today's we'll be focusing on the rest of the main colour, and I'm sick of whacking my head off that, so if the camera does shake, I apologise. It's because I keep whacking my head off it and that. So more base colours put on. Gonna put the base on that, the foot, base colours on the arm and the hammer, and bit in there. The shield is completely done with the base colours, so that will be put off to one side. The head is not done, and neither is the rest of it, so that's what we'll be doing in this video. Now I'm going to pick out the colour of the back of here, in these little crevices here. I get this out in there, which I have chosen this really nice brown. So again, it'll just be in these bits. Yeah, but turn that around the right way in there. So enjoy this little time lapse. I'm back, and as I said, I've done the base colours of these two in there. Next up is the kneecaps, which will be this one right there for the kneecaps. So enjoy this another time lapse. So that's both kneecaps completely done. Kneecaps and the back, kneecap and the front here. So that's these two base colours done, the front and the back. So that goes right next to where the shield goes. Time to work on the arms and the head. The head colour, I'll just be putting that same colour that I put on the knees. So it'll be this one, and it'll be everything except for these parts here. So enjoy this another time lapse. So as I said, it's the head done, so I'll be putting that to the side as well. Next up, both of the arms. So for the arms, I'm going to go with this grey on the top of these shields here. So let's enjoy this another time lapse. This one's base colours are done. Next I'll be doing the base colour of this handle colour right here. Enjoy another time lapse. So that's the handle done. Next up is colouring, painting this part and this part and the underneath. So for that, I'll be using this colour on that and that part and the top, not the top, just the sides here. So as you can see, that's done. Right, so next up will be this colour, that bit and that bit, which I picked out this colour right there. So here's another time lapse. So that's the base colour of these done. One last quick look. This is the head. The shield. I haven't coloured the back in, but that will be done. The body. The back body, the front, I still got to colour that bit in, but the arm, where the shield will be held there, and the other arm with the hammer. So that's all the base colours down. So in the next video we'll be tackling on the more detailed part. I'll be colouring, painting the little straps here, the top, putting a base colour down for that, the belt here with the belt again with the buckle, the top of here again with the leg being done, the back of that knee, the hammer, doing the little parts in there. All this will be broken up in different parts. So in the next video we'll be focusing on the shield. So we've got these little bits in there, doing the back as well, doing the handle, and if I'm doing the handle there I have to figure out the colour on this arm, but that's next time. So I want to colour these little bits. They will not be seen, but I like to colour them and paint them anyway. So the next video is going to be another short one for this shield, and we'll go from there. So again, I really am sorry for the short and different parts of videos. I just want to experiment what people like. So in the next model I'll probably do it all in one, but that will take me a bit longer. So let me know what you all think. Do you like it being broken down in parts and hearing my thought process, or would you like it all in one big time lapse? So let me know in the comments down below, and I'll see you all next time. Bye for now.